Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make beetroot fry with sesame seeds. To make my vegan beetroot curry, I have taken 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and heating on medium heat. Here I have taken 1 medium sized beetroot cut into small pieces and 2 large green chilies also cut into small pieces. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them on medium heat. Also add the 2 large green chilies cut into small pieces. When the mustard seeds started spluttering, add 2 red chilies cutting into small pieces. I want to thank all of you for watching my videos. If you like any of them, please don't forget to share them. If you are first time on my channel, please do subscribe and like my Facebook page also. Please visit my Telugu channel also. The link will be given below. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it once and quickly add the beetroot. As you can see, I did not peel the beetroot. If you wash it thoroughly, there is no need to peel it. But if you want, you can peel it. Remember, there are nutrients in the outer layer of the vegetables, so try not to peel. Stir it once and add some sea salt. Add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Cook it covered on medium heat. While the beetroot is cooking, in a separate pan, dry roast 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds on medium heat, and when they are popping up, switch off the flame and allow them to cool. When they are cooled, grind them into a coarse powder and keep it aside. Let us check the beetroot. It is nicely cooked. Good thing with beetroot, it doesn't get mushy. Beets are good for digestive system, heart health and brain health. You can test it by inserting a knife into it. If it goes smooth, that means the beetroot is well cooked. Since the beetroot is done, now add the sesame powder and mix it well. Sesame seeds are a good source of protein and a good source of fiber, which reduces the cholesterol, triglycerides and lowers the high blood pressure. Add the cilantro also and saute for a minute. Sesame seeds also contain good amount of calcium, magnesium, manganese and zinc. They support healthy bones and reduce inflammation. Since the sesame seeds contain low carbohydrate, high protein, high fiber and healthy fats, they help in controlling the blood sugar levels also. So it is a good idea to include sesame seeds in our everyday cooking. Try this very simple and healthy recipe and don't forget to give me your feedback. For more recipes, check out my website at sisrekaskitchen.com. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.